Yo, what is up, everybody that saw this title of this video is interested in scaling their business? What was my secret that helped me get past my 20K a month mark? Let me tell you guys, and I think this is very important regardless if you're a credit company, regardless of what business you're into, regardless if you're a contractor, regardless if you're a service-based industry, regardless if you're econ, regardless, whatever you are. I think this is super important for you to know, because if I knew this before, it would have helped me really a lot, right? This is kind of the type of things that my mentors taught me about to help me scale my business and get to where I am today. So let's talk about it real quick. So one of the first things, three parts in this series, in this video. First thing that I really realized that really helped me, that I didn't really think when I was first doing it that would just scale my business. First thing was all my organic content that I put out there. YouTube videos like this. I'm talking to you right in front of the camera. Videos of me explaining exactly how I do my work. Videos of me optimizing Facebook ads. Videos of me showing value, just helping you guys out and for free. You might think that, yeah, you put so much time and effort into a YouTube channel, to your Instagram, to your Facebook, then it's worth it. I mean, you're doing this work for free, but you're doing it for a reason. And if you do the videos the right way, if you do it a certain way, you don't have to put out the best type of content. You don't have to put out the most quality. You don't have to put out the best sound. I mean, you can probably hear the wind in the background here. And you can probably see me fixing this selfie stick so I don't drop it. What I'm trying to say is I don't have the most edited content. I don't have the most crazy effects. I barely chop up my videos. I put obviously the thumbnails, but what I'm trying to say is that my shit isn't edited crazy. I'm not doing some crazy things to my videos to make it really stand out. All I'm doing is hopping in front of a camera and just talking about real shit. I'm just trying to help. That's it. And what that has really helped me in my business. That has really helped me get known. And that kind of helps me roll on to the second part, because not only does it help me get known, but it helps me meet a lot of people. It really helps me make a lot of connections and network. And onto phase 2, networking. Guys, because of my social media presence, because I'm the type of guy that goes and just talks to everybody, because I'm the type of guy, because I love talking to people, because I'm always on meetings, I'm always on social media, even though honestly I don't like social media, but I like social media if you use it as a tool. I don't like it because of the dopamine effect. I mean, I'm addicted to my phone, I'm not gonna lie, and that's a dopamine effect. Like, you get instant reaction to looking at your phone, scrolling through Instagram, scrolling through Facebook, but I get the dopamine effect from making connections as well. And that's one thing that I love doing. So responding to your comments, going on Facebook, meeting people on Facebook, things like that. What I'm trying to say is networking is huge, because that one person can get you 5 other clients. That one person can get you 30 other clients. So what I'm trying to say is, without this YouTube video first, without putting out content, I would never get to 5K a month. Without networking, I would not have hit 10K a month. Now you're probably wondering, Blade, how'd you get the 20K? Let me tell you. These are my secrets, guys. I'm gonna tell you. What really helped me hit that 20K a month mark, the biggest thing was, it might sound weird, but it was mainly letting go. Not really letting go, but putting systems into place so I can let go. What do you mean by that? So let me explain it. So one of the biggest things that I found, I see these guys over here. One of these biggest things that I found that really helps, and some of the things that my mentors really taught me, was the simple fact that you gotta stop working mainly inside your business. You gotta work on outside of your business. So what I'm trying to say is, if you're constantly inside doing all the Facebook ads, you're constantly inside your business swinging the hammer, if you're constantly inside the business doing the actual work, you can't focus on scaling. So what I'm trying to say is, you need to put systems into place that allows you to take care of the internals, allows it to just work itself, let your money work for you, hire the right people, leverage virtual assistants, find people that can just do your job and do it better for you, and you can train them. What I'm trying to say is, let people work. Let the people that specialize in their individual niche, let them work in their business. Let me work inside your business so you can focus on the outside. What I'm trying to say is, Elon Musk, for example, his entire job is to constantly find the smartest people, constantly find the people that are smarter than him, hire them, and then fire the people that are lacking. That's his entire job. Yeah, he's a genius. Don't get me wrong. Elon Musk is a freaking genius. But there are a lot of people that are smarter than him, because you can't be the smartest person in the room on every single subject. You know? Like, it's impossible. That's how I used to do it. So, for example, my contracting business, I was always the guy swinging the hammer, and I was always the guy. I would always have to go back and forth, get materials, come back, babysit my guys, and it sucked. I hated it. That's why I stopped doing contracting. The biggest thing that really got me to scale was, like I said, putting systems in the place that allows me to do so. For example, a powerful onboarding CRM. Guys, you need help with that, links in the description to schedule a strategy session with me. However, CRM that onboards clients literally while you sleep. Some closers that help me close my deals. Appointment setters that help me schedule appointments. People like my Facebook ad guy that helps me run my Facebook ads for all my clients. You know, my Google ads guys that helps me run the Google. My Go High Level expert that helps me run Go High Level. My WordPress expert that helps me with my software. My Bluehost that also helps my software. My HTML coding expert that also helps me with my software. What I'm trying to say is, yeah, I'm good at coding. I can understand coding. I understand the basics, but if I want to get serious in it, if I was actually coding my own software, that's going to take me a while to learn. I'm about to watch a whole lot of YouTube videos. What I'm trying to say is I don't want to waste my time learning how to code again. I'd rather have somebody that's better than me code for me so that he can handle my software business and build it and fix it, develop it, whatever it's called. Help me with my software developing. So, one of the biggest things is being able to step out of your business. Now, a lot of people kind of get that kind of confused because they think that if they do something, maybe they're stepping out. But a lot of the times when I see I'm consulting people, you really got to like look at what you're doing. And you really got to make sure, like, Blade, am I stepping out of my business? If I wasn't here for like a week, would it be able to run itself? That's one of the biggest things I've seen. That's one of the biggest things I've been consulting people with. So what I'm trying to say, guys, is make sure that you're able to just step back. Make sure you have that freedom in your business to be able to step back. Put systems into place into your business so that you're able to confidently step back and focus on scaling the actual business. Focus on hiring people. Focus on investing in software. Focusing on, I don't know, putting more ad spend into your ads and marketing. Focus on whatever you want to do. Whatever you need to do, recruiting more people, or focus on getting more clients, things like that, so that you can push back. And the last thing, one kind of a bonus, I usually do things in threes, but my last thing, a little quick bonus, one of the biggest things was finding somebody that already did it. Find somebody that's more successful than you. Find somebody that already did it and can show you exactly how to do it. So for example, for me, my marketing business, what I actually did was I was on Facebook. I found a bunch of guys that are already marketers, they're already making $100K a month. And what I just did was I asked these people, like, yo, guys, how do I do it? All right. And they walked me step by step. Those exact 3 steps that I just talked to you guys about. All right. Content. Okay. Start out with organic marketing. Second thing, network your ass off. And like I said, the third thing, be able to push back from your business, have that freedom. All right. That's what my mentor taught me. And guys, if you need help, if you need something that's just ahead of you to take you step by step on what to do next, to give you that shortcut on what to really do to scale your business, guys, you know where that link is. Click the link down below in the description, and I'll be more than happy to schedule a call with you so that I can just help you guys out. All right, guys? Because people do that for me. I want to do that for you as well. So I'll be more than happy to help you out. So you know where the link is, down in the description. So guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. Any questions you guys might have, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Peace out.